Isometric illustrations are pretty popular and widely used medium these days, and this kind of illustrations are very popular among user experience designers and in other fields also. So to do this kind of isometric illustration, you need a proper guideline or guides. Get the latest updates about art, design and self-development. Subscribe to my channel Doodler and hit a thumbs up if you like it and pass them on to somebody who might like this too. What's going on everybody? So this is Doodler and welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how to make this isometric grid in Photoshop and as well as in Illustrator. Oof. Okay, so let's see how we can make it in few steps. So let's jump into the Illustrator. So opening a new document. So height is 612, width is 612, and I will keep the color mode RGB. Okay, and the preview mode is default is fine, and hit OK. Okay, so here is our new document. Now I will check the line segment tool and I will make the outline black. Okay, as you can see the color mode is RGB, so I will make this little bit more black. So I will just drag it, hit OK, and I will make the background null. Okay, so now choosing the line segment tool, I will press the shift key and drag the whole thing. Okay, so here is our straight line, and then we'll click the Alt button and just drag it, and it will make a copy, and then I will make Control D to reach the other part so that the whole document is filled with these lines. Okay, make it group, then make a copy and paste in place, and then I will transform and rotate in 60 degree. Okay, so yeah, so it has been rotated in 60 degree, and then I will make a copy out of it, paste in place again, and click transform reflect. Okay, so here is our isometric grid is ready. Okay, so as you can see the isometric grid is ready. Okay, so now I will make it 0.5 pt so that I think 0.25 is fine. Yeah, okay, so now I will group it and let's zoom it and check if that is fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. 0.5 is fine. Yeah, okay, so that's cool. Yep. Okay, so now I will create a new square box. I will check the yellow color and create a new square on the top of it. Okay, so zooming it a little bit, make sure that the square is fitting in the document correctly. Okay, like this. So just adjusting it a little bit. Yes, yep. Okay, all done. Now we'll select all and make clipping mask. So now as you can see this isometric grid is actually ready to use. Okay, so this was for Illustrator. Now I will show you how to make this isometric grid on Adobe Photoshop. So I will click the pen tool and click on the shape and choose the stroke to 3 pt and just create a line and then copying it through Control J. Okay, so I'll repeat this until this point, and then I will group it, Control G, and I will again Control J, so it's making a copy of that group, and I'm just shifting this on the right, and then I will select all the group and make another group out of this. Okay, yeah, so now I will select this group and make a copy of it, free transform, and rotate it in 60 degree just like before. Yep, so hit apply, and then I will make another group, another copy of that group, free transform, and just make it flip horizontal. Okay, apply. Now I'll select all the group and again Ctrl G to make a new group, and then I will free transform it and to make it little bit large. So just to check it if everything is fine. Yes, so yep, my isometric grid is ready in Photoshop. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to give your comments and feedback in the comment section, and I would really love to read all of your comments. Also, let us know about how you feel about this kind of tutorial, and if you have any better idea of making this kind of grid, also suggest me that. So be happy, be unique, be positive, be awesome. I will see you in the next video. Until then,